Indeed privileged to be here this morning and to officiate at this workshop on promoting solar energy in Pacific Island nations. I extend my sincere gratitude to the organizers and all the participants for coming together to engage in this important discussion aimed at advancing sustainable energy solutions in our region. The Pacific region faces unique energy challenges, including geographic isolation and vulnerability to climate change impacts. I'm very much convinced that solar energy has the potential to significantly aid in our transition towards sustainable energy, aligning with the net zero targets set by the majority of the Pacific countries for 2050. Additionally, it can assist us in mitigating the impacts of climate change. The solarization of heads of state residence project undertaken across 10 Pacific Island countries, 10 Pacific Island Development Forum, PIDF member countries, exemplifies our commitment to harness clean renewable energy technologies in the region. I've been informed that this project has also supported solar installations at the Fiji State House, the official residence of the Prime Minister of Fiji, and the residence of the Turang and Buniwal on Bo Island. Ladies and gentlemen, the government of Fiji is extremely committed to this cause in our battle against carbon emissions and transitioning to renewable energy sources. Since we came into power in December 2022, we have been receiving quite a lot of requests from isolated communities requesting for solar to be erected in their communities. So now the government is working with other donors, such as the Chinese government, in ensuring that we provide solar units to isolated communities in the rural areas. I used to express my gratitude to the government of India, UNDP and PIDF for their invaluable support, vision and investment as we try to meet our climate mitigation targets for the Pacific region. I believe that this initiative will contribute to reducing resilience on grid power to some extent. We aim to scale up this effort to other public buildings as well. There is a significant demand for solar energy in the Pacific region, but our ability to meet this demand is not moving as expected, mainly because of financing and limited capacity on project execution. We have limited suppliers, installers, and consulting firms capable of designing solar projects. And of course, one of another constraints that I have seen is the enabling environment where established suppliers of electricity in the country are also coming up with so many challenges, and for solar providers to be able to be linked on to the main grid. And I think this is one of a challenge in Fiji, where the established company, EFL, is also being a sort of hindrance to solar providers who are coming in and trying to establish the solar units, particularly in the urban areas and closer peri-urban areas. And of course, this government is going to try to address this issue. Therefore, we also request all stakeholders to participate in capacity building efforts and collaborate to scaling up the solarization of public buildings throughout the Pacific. As we embark on this journey towards a more sustainable energy future, I request all participants to actively engage in the discussions, share their experience, and collaborate in identifying innovative solutions. Together, let us seize this opportunity to catalyze positive change and pave the way for a cleaner, brighter future for generations to come. In conclusion, I call upon all stakeholders to join hands in accelerating the adoption of solar energy across the Pacific. Together, let us harness the power of the sun to build a resilient, a prosperous and sustainable future for generations to come. In closing, I extend my best wishes for a fruitful deliberations and meaningful outcomes from this workshop. May our collective efforts contribute significantly to the promotion of solar energy in Pacific Island nations. I thank you once again for your participation and commitment to advancing sustainable development in our region.